Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making a 5-minute easy watercolor card. So the materials that you're going to need is any kind of watercolor paint will do, a watercolor brush, and any kind is fine, a piece of watercolor paper. I use the Canson XL watercolor paper, some water, and any brush pen. I'm using the Faber-Castell Pitt pen. The first is going to be to fold your watercolor paper in half like you would a card. So whatever size you like is perfectly fine. Step 2 is going to be use masking tape and tape down 2 areas on the card. This is going to be where the writing will be. So depending on what you want the card to say, if you want to say happy birthday so-and-so, then you will need to tape down 3 different areas to leave space for the words. And just as you know, this can get messy, so you might want to put a scrap piece underneath to prevent it from getting all over your desk. Step 3 is to decide on the colors that you want to use. I just decided to choose pink, blue, and purple. And then step 4 is to dip your brush into the water and then the paint to activate your watercolors. That's what will give them their liquidy form and help you to make splatters. Now this is the fun part. You want to grab a pencil or another paintbrush that you can use to tap against. So you want to use your loaded paintbrush and tap it onto the pencil or the other paintbrush, the splatters. And you want to just keep repeating this with as many colors as you'd like. You want it to be really saturated in droplets and splatters. That way when you peel off the tape, there's going to be a distinctive line where you are writing. The contrast of the white, which is underneath the tape, and then the darkness of the splatters really give it a nice cool effect. So just make sure you add a lot of splatters. Plus it's really fun to do so anyways. Now once you are satisfied, you want to wait for your painting to completely dry. And I know this can be the hardest part, just wait patiently till it's totally dry. Now step is to carefully and slowly peel off the tape. You want to make sure you do this extra slow. You don't want to rip your card now after all the work you've already done. And final step, write happy birthday or whatever sentiment you would like to write. You can make a batch of these all at one time and just keep the sentiment simple and generic, and that way you have happy birthday cards or thank you cards whenever you need them and they're ready to go for you. And voila, just like that, you have an easy card that you made in under 5 minutes, and it looks super cute. If you'd like to learn more about calligraphy or lettering, then please check out the links below in the description, and I would be happy to help you out. Thanks so much for watching, and hope to see you in the next video.